Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Topstep on TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, we will need to see whether Topstep is available for trading on TradingView or not. For that, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you just have to basically log in into your account if you haven't already. After doing this particular thing, you just have to simply hover over to the top, then click on this search bar. Afterwards, it is going to show you the symbol. So here you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. So here, let's say I launch the chart of AUD USD. So after launching the chart, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers which you can basically connect with your TradingView account, and after that you can punch your orders directly from here. So when you click on the option of show all brokers, it is going to show you the full list. So here, in order to check whether Topstep is available here or not, simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you just have to simply type Topstep here. Now, as you can see, after typing Topstep here, nothing showed. So it simply means that you can't actually connect Topstep with your TradingView account as of right now, because Topstep is a funded firm, whereas you can only connect the brokers here with TradingView. So in this particular situation, what you can do is you can just simply look for this particular app as well. It is called Tradovate. So with the help of Tradovate, you can basically link your Topstep account. So after clicking on Tradovate, simply provide your Tradovate credentials, then click on the option of connect. Then with Tradovate, you need to connect your Topstep account, and after that, you will be able to basically trade Topstep on TradingView. So Tradovate is going to basically work as a bridge between these two. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.